Um, and oh God, my moderator, please help me block that man that is asking any girl from UK. Block him. He's asking one of the most oddest question, and we can't take that here. Here, we're not into hookups. We are just women with so much respect. So if you misbehave, we bring you down. All of you sending requests. The truth is that if you're not a subscriber, you cannot really be here. Stanley, thank you very much for disguising. Efian, thank you so much. Go to where you can be asking that silly question. KR, can see that you are just, yeah, you just messed up by asking that kind of question. Okay. Go to where you can be getting those kind of questions. Let's go, guys.